Hey guys, so I want to write a live sales email and I have this Reddit post here and I'm going to make a sample sales email for this course, the Email Marketing Empire, and I came across this Reddit post and I think it's really interesting. So basically this person wants to get into email marketing and kind of do it as freelancing. Right now he is a chiropractor and he's getting a good open rate, but he just doesn't know how to go about getting into the field or if that's possible for someone from his background. So these comments have really good advice, but there is one in particular that I already read that was phenomenal. So I'm going to find it. I think it is this one. So this guy has also been a small business owner and he enjoys crafting emails, and he is saying right now I'm using cold email to get clients. So what he does is he finds a business, subscribes to their email list, and goes through their store. So an e-commerce store, he adds a product to the cart and then leaves without purchasing it. And he checks if there's automated emails that get sent, so like an abandoned cart sequence. And if he doesn't, he emails them this little snippet, and that's how he gets clients. So I think this is actually a phenomenal response that I'm just going to copy and paste just so we have something to work with. So back on our Google Doc, I guess I'll just kind of paste this in at the bottom here, and I'm going to chop it up. So I'm thinking for the subject line, we can say, read this if you want to get email marketing clients. Now, this is just the top of my head. We can format that later. All that's really important at this stage is that you just get words down. So for the hook, I'm thinking if you want to learn how to charge $2,000 per client setting up automated email sequences, then this will be the best email you'll read today. I think that's a decent hook to start with, and it kind of plays off of the subject line. So as for the meat, honestly, this guy has written it for us. So I'm just gonna, again, copy and paste this and then chop it up. I'm gonna do our little email copy here, line by line, of all the steps that he's doing. So let's see. And I'm definitely going to rewrite this because I, just to make it more readable. So, okay, so if you want to learn how to charge $2,000 per client setting up automated email sequences, then this will be the best email you'll read today. Now, I can say that many people overcomplicate this. The easiest way to find email marketing clients is to first, and then I think I can kind of list this out just taking these points. So the first step would to be find a business and subscribe to their email list, right? And then 2, take a few actions on their store, this little thing. So take a few actions on their store, like adding a product to the cart and then leaving without purchasing it. And then let's see if you get any automated emails. Okay, so if not, then you can cold email the business owners with a pitch like this. So this is what he's saying. So I'm going to copy and paste that and put that here. So, hey, I subscribed to your email list. So we can be like, hey, first name, I subscribed to your email list, but didn't get a welcome email or abandoned cart. Would you like me to make one for you? So honestly, you can get rid of this. Cheers, your name. So actually, I'm gonna get rid of the quotations. So I subscribed to your email list, but didn't get a welcome email or abandoned cart email. Actually, I subscribe to your, let's just focus on the abandoned cart, because honestly, you need to recover sales, and I think most brands do have a welcome email. So I subscribed to your email list, proceeded to check out, but didn't get an abandoned cart email. What this does is recover, or you can say, you're losing out on 5 to 10% of sales by not having an abandoned cart email sequence in place. What this does is recover customers who proceeded to check out. What this does is recover customers who recover hot leads who were ready to purchase from you but forgot to complete their order. Okay, so you're losing out. I think maybe I can move this sentence above. I just think it makes more sense because you have to kind of explain to them, because they don't have one in the first place, what it does. So what this does is recover hot leads who are ready to purchase from you but forgot to complete their order. You're losing out on 5 to 10% of sales by not having an abandoned cart email sequence in place. And I can go a step further and I can say, I made a sample abandoned cart email for you here. And then you would insert a link and then let me know what you think. So honestly, I would, just because this is just a sample email of an email, I think this is just fine. People get the idea, right? You don't want to make this too long. And just for formatting purposes, I like to enter kind of a breakpoint here with these 4 equal signs just to show the cold email. So I think this is pretty decent. So many people overcomplicate this, and then step by step, this is literally how you do it. So I think the 5th step from here would be to get them on the phone and close the deal. So close a deal for 2K setup for automated sequences. And then at this point, I think we got all of this guy's message here. So simple, isn't it? I kind of want to write, so this is like a transition statement to my call to action. And I can say, actually, simple, isn't it? If you've gotten that far, but have no idea how to write these automated sequences, I know just the thing. Let's just say that for now, just the thing. This is, again, very rough draft. I know just the thing. My email marketing empire course will teach you step by step, along with the actual copy of sequences I've sent in my own business. My email marketing course will teach you step by step, along with the actual copy of sequences I've sent in my own business. We'll teach you how to do this. We'll teach you how to do this step by step. There we go. There. I think it thinks better. So then the call to action would be something like, click here to purchase the email marketing empire course. Of course, there's a better call to action, but again, rough draft. And then I can say just to your amiga Ocean. That's usually how my email signature ends. So the PS could be, if you let's just do a deadline based PS just for simplicity purposes. So if you sign up before 12/31/21, so pretend this is like a New Year's Eve sale, you'll get 15% off. Don't miss out. Again, super basic, but I think this is a decent email. So I'm going to get rid of all of this junk. Okay, I'm going to get rid of all this junk, and I'm going to show you the full on sales copy on a new page, just so everything looks nice and clean. So let's paste that back in. Leave this subject, get rid of that, all these other things. And then this would have a link here, so I can just mark that in red, just pretend that you added a link here. So PS. Okay, so this would be the full format of the email. It's not too long, but let's go ahead and read this. So read this if you want to get 2K email marketing clients. 2K, I'm just gonna say 2K per month. It might not be per month, but if they get a few per client, like every month, then that works. Okay, so if you want to learn how to charge 2K per client setting up automated email sequences, then this will be the best email you'll read today. Many people overcomplicate this. The easiest way to find email marketing clients is to, let's get rid of that first, is to 1, find a business, subscribe to their email list. 2, take a few actions on their store. Actually, not even this part, just say add a product to their cart and leave without purchasing it. See if you get any automated emails asking you to complete your purchase. If not, then you can cold email the business owners with a pitch. So this is the pitch we just created. I think that's pretty decent. 5, get them on the phone and close a deal for 2K setup. For a 2K fee, for 2K instead of fees for an automated sequence. Simple, isn't it? If you've gotten that far but have no idea how to write these automated sequences, I know just the thing. My Email Marketing Empire course will teach you how to do this step by step, along with actual copy of sequences I've sent in my own business. And then here's the call to action, the link, Euromega, Ocean. This is how I usually sign off. And PS, if you sign up before our New Year's sale on December 31st, you'll get 50% off. Don't miss out. So I think this is honestly super decent for just like 10 minutes of work and copying this from a Reddit post. So this is what you can do to make your sales emails. I didn't even technically write this email myself. I copied 80% of this email literally from this guy's Reddit comment. And all you need to do is just format it according to the contents and the lectures I've showed you guys, okay? Just to make it super enticing and to where people want to click it. And you also have this PS statement where there's urgency. So again, guys, that's how you write a sales email.